Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering the Corrale and confirming it has at least 20% charge. This prevents unexpected shutdowns while changing modes. Once powered, press and hold the power button for about 2 seconds to access the settings menu. This is the gateway to mode toggles. Make sure you can see the small airplane or flight icon on the OLED. If the icon isn't visible, cycle through menu pages with short presses until that icon appears. You're ready for the toggle step. Now focus on the flight icon and navigate to it using short presses of the power button. This selects the flight mode entry. Once highlighted, press and hold the power button for roughly 3 seconds to toggle flight mode off. This sends the command to reconnect internal systems and allow normal battery use. After releasing, listen for a short confirmation beep and watch the OLED. The airplane icon should vanish. If it changes immediately, you've successfully disabled the mode. Finish by heating the plates briefly to confirm the Corrale exits flight restrictions and runs normally. You'll feel standard heat levels and can use the temperature controls. If the airplane icon persists, power the unit off and wait 10 seconds, then power on and repeat the toggle steps. This soft reset clears transient states. If the icon still won't clear after a second attempt, note the charge level and serial number. Then contact Dyson support for firmware or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.